Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. Until here we have learned the fundamental of Python programming. Now in this video we are going to add some commands and make our first lines of code, the code that is actually giving us something. First of all, I'm going to start by writing print. We want to show something in the output. As you can see, as I write print, it gives the Visual Studio gives me some hint. It is because of the Python extensions that we have installed. So I'm choosing print. For example, here I write hello world. Okay, it is going to show the hello world on the terminal. Now I want to enter a name, ask a name and enter it, save it to a variable, then say hello to him or her. For this we define a variable, so then we use input function, as you can see again it is helping us, and we write the sentence that we want to be displayed. What is your name, for example? Okay, this line of code is going to ask the name. Then we want to say hello to the name. Because of that we write print, which again is for displaying something on the output. So we say hello, okay, space. Then after the double quotation we add comma. Then we write the name of the variable. So what are the lines doing? This line is going to print hello world on the terminal. This line is going to get something and save it on the name variable. Then this line is going to print hello, then the saved value on the variable. Okay, let's test it. If you want to run a program on the Visual Studio, you can simply press the play button up on the top right, or you can choose running the terminal from the options that appear when you right click on the Visual Studio. So let's play it. Now as you can see, okay, hello world, and then what is your name? For example, I'm going to write David. Okay, hello David. It is showing, it is printing hello David because of this line. It happens sometimes if it is not possible to write the name here and it is not letting you to modify the terminal. You should go to File, then Preferences, then Settings. Over here you should write Run Code. Then we are looking for running terminal. We should find it and we should check it. If it is unchecked, so we cannot write anything on the terminal. One thing left to be mentioned in this video is about the syntax of Python. It is a little different from other languages. For example, I'm going to define a function. It is called hello. Okay, don't worry about defining the function. Just okay. I'm going to talk about the syntax. As you can see, after defining the function, I have an error here. It is because of the indentation that we should follow in Python programming. We should tell the programming language, we should tell Python that these 3 lines of code belong to this function. How? We should put some spaces before each line. It is not important 1, 2, 3, okay, just they should be the same space. So we should put some spaces. Here I have put 4 spaces before each line. Now it is saying that these 3 lines of code are for these function. In the future videos, we will see and we will learn more about this syntaxing.